Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update on SoFi. It's been a while because I waited here for some technical shakeouts, which we now have, guys. So I will give you now the updated chart analysis. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. So we have here two things, guys. First of all, we tried to retest, or SoFi retested here the EMA 200 day line here, the black line in the chart. And we closed this open gap here at $11.55. So that was here one of the technical reactions or issues I waited for. And when we see now my drawings, I don't want to bother you here with EMA lines, guys. This is everything Mickey Mouse. This is much more important here, this chart pattern. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I said all the time, this is my old chart, guys, that the algo landing zone for SoFi is between $11.75 and $10, guys. So here are just some price levels which SoFi has to conquer to see here a squeeze or a sell-off reaction, and $11.75 to $10 here, the yellow box, is the most significant algo support zone for SoFi, guys. And the good news are, guys, the good news are that we have here, of course, something like a bearish setup. The overall macro pattern here for SoFi is bearish, guys. Even we have here the super bullish reversal. So hear me out. Don't stop the video too early, guys. I am not bearish on SoFi, but the pattern, the macro pattern, I tried to measure here. So I don't know why it's not working, guys. I want to just measure here the total. So now, more or less, SoFi squeezed more than 340%. So this is, of course, not bearish, but the overall macro trend pattern, guys, is still in favor for the bears. You may think I'm wrong, whatever, guys, make your own due diligence. I'm just telling you here my opinion based on the chart. What I'm doing here, guys, you don't need to follow here what I'm doing, but this is, in my opinion, the chart pattern in which SoFi is trading. And why I'm so sure about that, guys, because I have here a mission not only to share my knowledge with you and educate you in trading, that you understand how the algos play, guys. I also try to predict short squeezes. So the same pattern or the same style of patterns which I use here for SoFi, I use that for many other stocks as well. And that works over and over again, guys. So while I'm recording this video here for SoFi, we just have right now here a 134% squeeze. Same here, you can see here some of the drawings, trend channel patterns, liquidity zones, and we had here a very nice Fibonacci shakeout back to $5.90. That was exactly what I said to my members. If we see here a sell-off, then this will be the buying level where the algos are waiting, and boom, kamikaze here, guys, 134% in just one day. Here we had our squeeze, guys. 2 days before I had this squeeze here. That was one of my swing trade tickers, which I also post here on Patreon. Here on that day, I made the announcement here on my Patreon and said to my members, this is the yellow box or the green box. This is similar to the yellow box here, guys. So I made this green box here, the algo landing zone or liquidity zone, and you can see that this ticker recovered 102% after coming back in this box, guys. So it is possible to predict short squeezes. So that's why I give you also here my honest opinion for SoFi. But if you want to see my private short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join here our Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, where everyday new members joining in. You also get access here to my trading tutorials, member FAQ section, and stuff like that. So there is a lot of things waiting for you. That doesn't matter if you are a beginner or advanced trader. Everybody is welcome to join in. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader and also available here in the video description. So guys, as I said, I didn't make a video on SoFi for a while. You can see the last video was here March the 3rd, because I just waited here for this shakeout. We are back in the landing zone, and since we dropped here below $10.85, we have a small recoverment process here, very small recoverment of 20%. That doesn't look bullish, especially when you trade with EMA lines. Then you may think, okay, let me switch off here the drawings for a second. So then you may think, okay, we have support on the EMA 200 day line, but we have no support yet here on the other EMA line. So you can see it starts to see here something like a bearish crossing. Not yet, we have not yet a crossing of the EMA lines, but it looks like that it's preparing here for a bearish cross. In my opinion, guys, that is confusing to use that for trading. That's why I focus here on my own drawings and that trend channel pattern here. So let's say this bearish macro trend channel pattern shows us now here a bullish micro pattern, because we are trading here. We have two zones. We have this the bottom line here, we have the top line, and we have this middle line here in between. And because we have here such a strong support for SoFi here between this price range, that means that we could see here a bullish reversal and come finally back here in this target zone, where I still waiting for, guys. I still want to see that SoFi close the open gap here at $22, which means based on the actual price, if we hold the support here in that box, guys, yeah, based on the actual price, there is a squeeze potential for SoFi of at least 76%. Then if we leave this trend channel here, very important, guys, so hear me out. If we leave this trend channel, if we start to come back here in this algo zone, then every price, guys, every price over $25 can cause a short squeeze for SoFi, and then that would mean that we start to leave this bearish macro trend channel pattern and start to create a new micro trend channel pattern with it, which is in favor for the bulls. If we just close this gap at $22.76 and get a very hard rejection, guys, then please be careful, because that is not yet a bullish pattern for SoFi, right? I could, of course, draw you here some lines, some support lines. I mean, everybody who is a little bit familiar with chart could do that, but as I said, this is a pattern which you can see that here 2026, 7, blah, blah, blah. So that's not what we want. We want to see here some quick squeezes, and just keep in mind, this is the liquidity zone where the algo is waiting to push the price, and the algo squeeze trigger, if you want to see here a technical pump for SoFi, then SoFi needs to close over $13.92. I know these are a lot of price levels, guys, but you can of course copy here all the price levels from my chart. This is everything based on TradingView, what you see here. This is the chart program what I use for all my videos and all my trades. If you also want to get that program for yourself, then you can use here my discount link, guys, on for the TradingView premium tier, $15 discount. And as I said, the premium tier is what I recommend here for TradingView. You get a lot of indicators and stuff like that. And also this special discount link is available in the video description. So the game plan, guys, when I switch on the indicators for a second, SoFi has some support, not only here because of this middle trend line of the algo trend channel, or if you want so, the EMA 200 day line here, the black EMA line. Also the RSI here is of course in favor for the bulls. Yeah, when we have here an oversold RSI, you can see last time when we had this, we had a nice pump here, then we came back, and this is what is a little bit tricky right now. This price action here, I mentioned that already in my previous videos, was a little bit weak, and that's why also the reason why we came here in this algo landing zone. If we fall below $10, then be very careful. Yeah, we have to talk about this, guys. That is possible that the market turns bearish and we lose the support here at $10. Then you can see we have all the open gaps here: $9, $7.86, $7.51, $5.48 to close, guys. Yeah, I don't want to scare you, but technically that is possible. As I said, we have still here a very bullish setup for SoFi. If we hold the support, guys, I have no doubt that we sooner or later will close the gap at $22.75. I'm overall bullish on SoFi, but I would work here with a very tight stop loss below $10. So guys, I hope that it was helpful for you. I know a lot of information here, a lot of price levels, but it's not a simple chart setup what we have here, since we are here in the bearish pattern with a bullish momentum right now. So if you don't want to miss any updates on SoFi or my other short squeeze stocks, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your support, guys, and see you in the next one. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten SoFi Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.